number of government officials, economists attending the annual meeting of the World Economic Forum warned that due to factors such as geopolitics and the COVID-19 pandemic, global economic activities are expected to decrease this year, inflation to rise, real wages to decline, and food insecurity is expected to increase. Experts say the pandemic and Russia-Ukraine conflict would have profound impact on the world economy and may wipe out the gains of the past years. They predict that world economy faces the risk of recession, especially the economic performance of the European region will be much weaker. Most of the chief economists interviewed by the forum expect high inflation in most markets except for East Asia in 2020, with 96% expecting high or very high inflation in the US and 92% believing it will happen in Europe. Economists also predict that Africa and the Middle East will experience the worst food problem in the next 3 years. Combined with additional pressure of high energy prices, the world could face the worst food crisis in recent history. Experts here emphasize the need for global cooperation, and this forum will provide a good starting point.
So what we have to avoid now is that the slowing global growth that has come this spring doesn't end in a recession, and especially vulnerable are developing countries and some emerging countries and economies. We also have to realize that global challenges needs global solutions. We all are in the same boat and we have to act accordingly.